Let's go up to Rich for our introduction to our main event.
Introducing first in the corner to my left, from our nation's capital, Washington, D.C., the Afro-Punk, Trish Adora! Her opponent, in the corner to my right, from Long Island, New York, she's got big hair and an even bigger smile, the big with the power, Willow Nightingale!
Here we go, Willow Nightingale, Trish Adora. Willow Nightingale, she is always there with a smile, great personality plus, but once the bell rings and things are underway, she can go with anybody.
Think about the fact both of these women have come back from such huge challenges in their lives, things that could have put their careers on hold, things that could have ended things for them. And they were still here. They're facing one another right here at WWR Plus.
We've seen Trish Adora compete in Beyond Wrestling, getting in there with the likes of Jordan, Oliver, Wheeler Yuta, as Willow looking for that pounce early. She wanted to end it right away, I don't blame her.
Not at all, but Willow Nightingale recollecting herself, pacing herself, slowing it back down.
But Willow Nightingale, like I mentioned, has been with Beyond Wrestling for quite some time and has been there in the ring with the who's who. So when it comes to the experience advantage, it's going to be big time in the corner of Willow Nightingale. However, as I mentioned, Trish Adora is not going to be fazed by that.
Absolutely not. Trish Adora has gone through some incredible training as well. Training under Jonathan Gresham from Ring of Honor for 2 years. Trained at 3D Academy under the tutelage of WWE Hall of Famers Billy Ray and Devon Dudley. She's got the scraps to keep up with Willow Nightingale.
Under the tutelage of Jonathan Gresham, you're going to be able to do wonderful things on the mat, and we have seen that in an abundance from Trish Adora during her short time here, whether it be with Beyond or now with WWR Plus. We have seen that at work, but Willow Nightingale not backing down, staying on her level, remaining there to show that she is here for not only a fight, but a wrestling match.
You can't let the smile and dimples for days of Willow Nightingale fool you into thinking she's going to make anything a cakewalk. She is going to put Trish Adora through the paces. She is putting up a fight already.
Both of these women know what's at stake here. The first main event here at WWR Plus, the reboot, if you will, knowing that there are going to be so many eyes on this show, both now and later, video on demand. By the way, let everybody know to catch this video on demand if they were unable to do so live, but they both know what's at stake here. Main event of the first show, so much on the line.
So much on the line, so much respect, though, too, shared between these two competitors. They've watched each other's careers. Like we said, for years, they've been kind of just in passing of one another without the chance to really collide in the ring like they are right here.
Absolutely. And you know a lot about the background of Trish Adora. You mentioned her time as an MP in the Army, training at Team 3D, but also training with Jonathan Gresham. And you know all that experience is going to come into play here.
100%. I mean, Trish Adora is someone that isn't just a physical athlete. She is a mental athlete. She studies tape. She immerses herself in wrestling non-stop. She's constantly learning and striving to be her best. Trish Adora, also the inaugural Pan-African Diaspora Champion. An incredible honor for her that she holds dear.
Oh, what? Oh, boy.
Okay.
Test of strength here from Willow.
Trish Adora not one to back down from the challenge.
No, not at all. I don't think she's going to back down from this. We have it here, test of strength, middle of the ring. Here in our main event, Trish Adora and Willow Nightingale. Willow gets that leg behind Trish's and now is going to bend her backwards.
Shoulder to shoulder, and now Trish bending.
But Adora showing tremendous flexibility, but Willow brings her down, and look at that bridge.
Wow. Absolutely incredible agility from Trish Adora as she just keeps bounding up and up and up.
Gets to her feet, Willow Nightingale back up with her as they hold on to that knuckle lock. Going back and forth here. Nope.
There we go. Trish trying to break that hold and now zeroing in on the single arm of Willow Nightingale.
Trying to do it. Can she do it? That is the question. We're going to find out very quickly, as I don't think they're going to stay here for long. Trish Adora maneuvering out, and look at that.
Wow. That's enough to bring you down to the mat.
Placing the pressure on the tricep, the elbow, the forearm there with that maneuver, as Trish Adora has Willow Nightingale on the mat.
Trish Adora said going into this match that if she wants to be a winner, she has to let go of excuses and fight back. She knows the task that's at hand against Willow Nightingale, and she is going to fight with all of her might.
Off the ropes, tries a judo toss, blocked by Willow Nightingale. Still trying it, nothing there.
Oh, and now Willow wearing down the midsection of Trish Adora.
Irish whip reversed, and again, look at that, Adora misdirection.
Oh.
Brings it into that corner, tries to place her face in a mean way against those turnbuckles, but it is blocked by Willow. Cartwheel, go behind. Gonna try that pounce, hits it! Oh! Hits the pounce!
Wow, Trish Adora really cross-checked all the way out of the ring.
Willow Nightingale in control here. On top of Trish Adora in our main event. That pounce had a lot of force behind it. But it's going to need a lot more to put Trish Adora down.
Willow Nightingale showing the power behind her sunny disposition.
Brings her back up. There's a suplex. Holds on to it. Gonna go for number 3. Grab the leg. Fisherman suplex. No, Adora out at 2.
Trish Adora searching for some air, trying to keep herself alive right here. Definitely winded after that flurry of offense from Willow Nightingale.
But she is not going to be afraid to keep this thing going long, as you know, going 60 minutes in an Ironman match against Tony Deppen. So she is not afraid to go the distance if it needs to.
And that was in one of Trish Adora's earliest Beyond matches as well.
Right. Irish whip, spinning leg lariat from Willow Nightingale. She caught all of that one.
Now to make the cover is Willow Nightingale.
Gets the shoulder up. Gonna try to grab hold of those legs. Gonna try to go for that submission. Oh, I thought a cloverleaf originally, more of a deathlock variation here. Has her down. Oh boy.
Bent up like a pretzel.
Oh boy. Oh, look at this. There is force on so many parts of Trish Adora's body right now. Her back, her neck, her legs, her elbow. I mean, man.
Willow Nightingale, though she is cheery, she is fierce.
Going for a camel clutch here. And again, Trish Adora in a very, very bad way.
Trish Adora in this, the main event of WWR Plus, she is not ready to say die. No, but shoulders.
Tried it, but now Trish Adora gonna go for that submission, but Willow kicks her away.
Oh, a little chase happening.
Yeah, Trish Adora trying to wiggle her way out the arm. Oh, look at that. Right to the mat, holding on to that wrist of Willow Nightingale, but can't hold on. Willow grabs the ropes. So much at stake here for these two women here at WWR Plus. Our debut, let's talk about wrestling. Willow Nightingale charging in. It's the running hip attack.
And again, more of the power, but finding an empty target is Willow Nightingale.
Trish ducked under that kick, and there is an elbow right to the chin.
Oh. Did you hear that thud?
Oh, I heard it.
Wow.
I felt it. Oh. There's one. Willow's rocked.
Willow looking almost more offended than harmed.
Absolutely. Oof.
Oh, holy cannoli.
Here comes Willow firing back with force. Rapid fire shots.
Oh! Crossbody out of nowhere.
That crossbody connected, and she is back in this one. The Afro Punk is in it. Brings her down, makes the cover. Shoulder up.
Too close of a call for Willow Nightingale's liking.
Cattle mutilation, and she has both hands hooked. That is in deep. Willow Nightingale may not have anywhere to go.
Willow Nightingale, is this how it ends for Willow Nightingale here at WWR Plus?
Nightingale to a seated position now as Adora trying to hold on, maintains that hold, but it is broken as Willow goes into the corner with Trish behind her.
She's more just crushing back elbows to Trish Adora.
Try again, breaks that hold. Then try to pick her up. Olympic slam. No!
Not yet. Willow Nightingale was ready to take it home.
Not yet, unable to get that pinfall victory after the big-time Olympic slam, but Trish Adora holding on here in our main event at WWR Plus.
Trish Adora summoning power, summoning good energy from anywhere she can to fight back against Willow Nightingale.
Firing back. Willow making her pay for it. Oh, kick to the leg. Ooh, there's a return shot.
Trish Adora trying to walk it off.
Wow. You would think it's the opening minute after that strike from Trish Adora. Here's another one. It's blocked.
Oh!
Misses with the enziguri. Trish Adora picks Willow up. Trying to get her off her feet. No, Willow go behind. There's one from Trish, and back and forth we go.
Frustrations are mounting between our two competitors.
Another go behind. Round and round we go. Oh, hold on. Willow with a fireman's carry.
Trish Adora gotta fight her way out.
Trying to fight her way out. Rolls her through. The lateral press. 2 count. And that was just enough to break the temporary stalemate that we had.
Trish Adora getting herself a momentary respite against Willow Nightingale. Wow!
Enziguri, although it seemed like it caught her across the face.
Willow Nightingale got to make sure your jaw's still attached.
And now the Afro Punk. She's fired up. She is back in this, but Willow, smartly, it seems, rolls to the apron to create some distance.
But where there's a fight, Trish Adora is going to find it, following Willow out to the apron.
Shot to the side of the head. These two battling on the apron.
Gosh.
This is a very dangerous position, and these two are liking it.
It's call and response at this point. Anything you can do, I can give back.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Willow Nightingale drills Trish Adora into the apron, and she takes a hard fall on that wood floor.
The Babe with the power shows her power in this main event.
That was disturbing. But Trish able to fight back, and Willow goes into the post.
Trish Adora is using every last iota of energy that she has.
There's no way she could feel her hand after that.
She could have just shattered some of the bones in her hand, Trish Adora.
Here comes Willow. And she goes with the somersault into the corner. She's gonna go up top.
But as if that wasn't enough.
Huge risk here from Willow with everything on the line.
Oh!
Moonsault misses. She missed.
Trish Adora getting out of the way in the nick of time.
Gut wrench. Has her up. No, Trish Adora. Gets back down.
Oh!
Rolls through. Shoulder up.
Trish Adora not making it easy work for Willow Nightingale.
Cattle mutilation. She has it again, and has the damage been too much for Willow to withhold? It is over. Trish Adora scoring the submission victory here in our main event. What a display by both women here in our main event. But man, big win by Trish Adora. I don't even know what to say.
Wow.
What a win.
Just an excellent display of women's pro wrestling. The women's revolution, as Trish Adora said, is afoot. Trish Adora and Willow Nightingale are leading the charge here at WWR Plus.
WWR Plus, let's talk about wrestling. What a night it has been here at the White Eagle in Worcester, Massachusetts, as Trish Adora picking up the victory over Willow Nightingale. And I mean, just look at what we had tonight. Damian and Doni Exo. I mean, Becca and Erica Lee. So many names. Hold on. Willow getting back in the ring.
Haven't these two done enough damage? Beautiful.
A great show of respect here between two fantastic athletes and competitors. Trish Adora picking up the victory via submission over Willow Nightingale. And what a win it was for her.